is a commodity I've been trading for the better half of a decade, and I've made the most amount of profit off of trading oil. This trade idea is on the oil markets. So for US oil markets right now, I'm considering a lot of different outcomes for this trade. This trade is both heavy on the technicals, but also very heavy on the fundamentals and the macroeconomics as well. So for the general overview, the markets have been sitting around the $70 to $60 level for a considerable period of time. You know, every time there's been a even big potential, small potential for war in the East, the oil market prices just shoot through the roof. I stand to be corrected, but the oil markets sit at an average price over the last 10 to 15 years of $65. And that's the bracket that we are talking about now between these two red lines. But now what you're seeing is the market is testing the 60s level again. So you can see how the market has stayed well above these 60s levels, and only recently coming into around about between April to May, the market fell to a level of about $58, then $56.78, then $55.53. So the market has consolidated since then, but now you can see it's moving back to those 60s levels. So it continues to move. Where could be the next targets? Retracement is if the market pulls back, where could be those targets, and then the range is what that price could be moving between. And that's usually a combination of the first level, the continuation level, plus the retracement level. I'm looking at a range of between $60 to $64 a barrel. Now, if we break below $60, we could see the $60 becoming the new resistance of that range, therefore forming a Gartley like I showed you on Euro Pound. That there's less buying or there's less selling pressure in the market, which means that the market could continue to a sentiment where there's more buys than sells in the oil markets. Now, it always makes sense that the oil markets will consolidate around about that $60 level. The thing is, if oil is too cheap, then it's too expensive to drill the oil. If the oil's too expensive, then it's too expensive to buy.